In this episode, I'll be making an art desk for my office out of this bandsaw storage cart drill press thing. Yeah, it's going to be a good one.
For this project, I'll be using storage cart thing, butcher block top, custom-made angle brackets, bolts, aluminum extrusion, T-nuts, lag bolts, polyurethane, brush, sandpaper, throwaway paint containers, gloves. Here, I'm starting with the bottom of the butcher block with a bare polyurethane matte sealer. To be honest, I didn't really care what I used here. I just picked something up that I knew was going to work. It's going to get paint splattered on it. It's going to get damaged. I mean, I don't really care. So for whatever your situation calls for, you do that. So basically here, the name of the game is to just coat it. Just get the polyurethane on the butcher block, call it a day. I think I did 2 coats here and I pretty much just got it on, re-put it on, leveled everything off real nice, and then just walked away. It's the bottom of the butcher block. Nobody is going to see it but you if you clean down there. So just get it on and walk away. Done. All right, what I'm doing in this next step is light sanding the top of the butcher block and knocking down any bumps or drips that formed from the 2 coats previously applied to the bottom. The main benefit of sealing wood with polyurethane is its superior durability that creates a hard protective barrier that resists scratches, moisture, heat, and daily wear and tear. It also extends the life of the wood surface by preventing water damage, staining, and in some cases, UV damage. To complete this step, I sanded in between coats. Now that I've finished the butcher block top, it's time to move on to taking all the crap off this cart. Yay! Aside from the 2 plywood panels, this frame is assembled with connectors and no angle brackets, which makes disassembly very easy. All I do is loosen the set screw within the bushing and slide or twist each bar out. It's pretty self-explanatory once you see me remove a couple. Watch me go. Ow.
All right, people of the internet. Today, or for this step, I'm going to be cutting down these sides I removed from that storage cart, in addition to cutting my custom brackets. Also, I will be cutting that connecting bar that will connect the 2 sides together.
Aside from the two ends and the eye-shaped section of this assembly, the assembly process is done using those angle brackets I made from earlier. I simply place a T-nut where I need on the frame and secure with a bolt and washer. If you're enjoying this video or have learned something, please like and subscribe to stay updated on my future uploads. Hey, look, it's the butcher block top from earlier. In this next step, I'll be placing smaller angle brackets to secure the butcher block top to the aluminum extrusion frame. Before securing the top to the frame, I confirmed the straightness of the frame and the butcher block. You know, even on all sides, I think would make sense. Here, I'm using a pencil, or I guess a pen if that's what you have, to mark the circles to pre-drill before securing the top to the frame. To attach the frame to the butcher block, I used 1-inch lag screws for this step.
There we go, people. I took what once was a bandsaw storage cart drill press thing, and I turned it into this art desk. Yeah, that's what this is. This is an art desk. If you like content like this, please like and subscribe for more things that I'm going to make on this desk. But in the meantime, I've got wings and pizza calling my name. Good day. Good day to you.